Time to replace the shower head. It seems I got one that the water pressure is way too high. So if you have that problem, just go ahead and replace it. Now these little ones here, it seems like every time the water is being used, it's like it's using way too much water and too much pressure also. So let's take a look. That is way too much pressure. Now let's take a look at this one here. Now this one has several settings for lower pressure, higher pressure. So depending on what you need, that's what you're supposed to buy. Now let's go ahead and install this and see how it works out. Make sure you're putting out enough Teflon to get a nice seal. Well, at least this one gives you more options.